How to make TikTok shop account in USA. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply search for TikTok shop on Google and open it up. Now this is where it will take you. Over here, when you click on this option of get started, you would be redirected to a different page where you can set up your account. But make sure that you check up your location, and currently it is United Kingdom, but let's change it to United States. And after that, let's click on get started. Wait for it to reload and then click on get started again and scroll down. Over here, this is where it will take you. Now select the option of seller, since we want to set up a shop as a seller. And after that, you would be able to find some information related to TikTok shop as a seller, and just simply click on this option of learn more. Then wait for it to load as it will redirect you to a different page. And this is where it will redirect you. Over here, all you have to do is just provide your phone number and email and continue. In case if you want to continue with your TikTok account, then just simply click on this option of sign up with TikTok account. Or in case if you already have TikTok business account or TikTok shop, you can just log in using this bottom button. Just simply click on this option of login and you would be able to log in. But if you are starting out for the first time, it's better to sign up using a new account and then linking your shop later on. Otherwise, if you would want to make changes to your shop in future, like change the niche and all other things, then it would be hard for you. But if in case you are quite sure about your shop and your niche and everything about it, then just sign up with your current TikTok account, and this way you would be requiring some information, like you would have to select your niche and also other details about you and your shop. And after providing all the details, you would be able to set up your TikTok shop using the USA location, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.